Studying for 10 hours straight isn't just possible. It's ridiculously simple once you know what I'm about to tell you. This video ain't for soft, whiny, pathetic little dopamine junkies looking for a way to kill their time on YouTube by watching these types of videos. This is for the ones who are sick of being stuck. Sick of going to bed every damn night knowing they could have done more, but didn't. You've probably asked yourself why the hell I can scroll for 6 hours straight with zero breaks, but can't focus on studying for even 20 minutes. I get it. Your brain's literally wired against you, but I've cracked the code. And nah, I wasn't born disciplined. I used to be the same lazy sack of excuses you are right now. I'd open my books, read one paragraph, then vanish into YouTube hell for 6 hours like a damn magician. And listen, if you're just here for another dopamine hit watching study videos instead of actually studying, please just click off now. This isn't for you. I'm about to give actual strategies that require actual work. But let's get real for a second. If you've never studied properly before, it's absolutely fucking delusional to think you'll suddenly crush 10 hours a day after watching one video. Anyone promising that overnight miracle is straight up lying to your face. Tell them to fuck off. Building these habits takes weeks of consistent effort. Your current study methods aren't just ineffective. They're actively destroying your brain's ability to learn. Yeah, I said it. Every time you try to motivate yourself with those cringe inspirational videos, you're literally making yourself dumber. Motivation? That's a scam. A lie sold to you by influencers who haven't touched a textbook since 2012. You don't need another aesthetic quote or piano music in the background. You need to snap out of your own BS and rewire your damn brain. Let's be real. You sit down with your textbook open for hours, highlighting random shit like it's a coloring book. Or you reread the same page 15 times and still can't remember what you just read. Maybe you're the type who makes those pretty color-coded notes that take 3 hours but teach you absolutely nothing. And don't even get me started on cramming the night before your exam, downing cup after cup of coffee, telling yourself, I work better under pressure, when you're actually just drowning in anxiety. All that garbage? It's literally rewiring your brain to associate studying with pain and inefficiency. You're training yourself to hate learning. No wonder you can't focus for more than 20 minutes without reaching for your phone. Your study methods are straight up sabotage, and you don't even realize it. Step 1. The Schrodinger's break. Ever wonder why you can't focus for shit while that annoying tryhard in your class seems to study forever? You're not lazy. You're just trapped in the break loop from hell. Pay attention, because this first technique is going to sound completely backwards, but it's the foundation everything else builds on. Those I'll just check Instagram for 5 minutes breaks that somehow devour your entire afternoon, they're the reason you're still struggling. Picture this. It's 2 a.m. You've got a massive exam tomorrow. Your desk is covered in empty coffee cups. You've been studying for 6 hours, but have barely finished a chapter. Every time you hit something challenging, you grab your phone for a quick break that turns into 40 minutes of scrolling. Sound familiar? That was literally me a few years ago. I was drowning. Here's what you'll do. When that voice in your head starts begging for a break, ask yourself one simple question. Could I push for just 10 more minutes? That's it. If the answer's yes, shut up and keep grinding. If it's genuinely no, and be fucking honest with yourself here, then stand up. Don't touch your phone. Don't open a new tab. Just get your ass up for exactly 60 seconds. Then ask yourself the same question again. Your brain is literally wired to resist this. It's going to throw a tantrum, but it's normal. That resistance means it's working. Every time you cave and take a quick break, you're destroying your momentum. Your pathetic focus muscle never gets stronger because you baby it. The average student needs 23 minutes to refocus after each distraction. No wonder you're drowning in assignments while watching everyone else succeed. This one simple change will double your effective study time overnight. The first 3 days will feel impossible. You'll hate me. That's fine. By day 4, you'll feel the difference. By day 7, you'll wonder how you ever studied any other way. Seriously, pause this video right now and promise yourself you'll try this for just 3 days. 3 days. If I'm wrong, go back to your bullshit study with me videos and pretty planners. But I'm not wrong. Now listen to this part carefully, okay? You roll out of bed, immediately grab your phone, and waste the first hour of your day scrolling through absolute garbage. Then you wonder why you can't focus when you finally drag your ass to study at 3 p.m. Congratulations, you've already fucked yourself before you even started. Here's step 2, and I don't give a shit if it sounds extreme. Make studying the first thing you do every morning, not second, not after breakfast. First, take a shit, splash water on your face, and get straight to your desk. No phone, no social media, no quick check of anything. Listen to me, your notifications aren't going anywhere, but your potential is slipping away every day. You prioritize other people's content over your own future. Now you may say that, but I study from YouTube videos. That's no one bullshit excuse. Plan your day before going to bed. Download everything you need the night before. Lectures, PDFs, practice problems, all of it. No excuses. Your willpower is like a muscle with finite strength, and science proves it's at peak capacity when you first wake up. Neurologists at Harvard found your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for focus and self-control, is most active during the first 2 to 3 hours after waking. By afternoon, it's operating at less than 50% capacity. No wonder you keep failing. Brushing teeth? It can wait. Breakfast? It can wait. Your Instagram feed? It can definitely fucking wait. Give those first 2 to 3 hours entirely to your hardest subjects. Nothing else matters during this window. This is especially critical if you're someone who struggles to start studying. That's code for I'm weak-minded and easily distracted. Harsh? Maybe. True? Absolutely. The morning study block creates momentum that carries through your entire day. Research from Stanford shows that students who began their day with focused study were 340% more likely to continue studying later compared to those who started with phone time. Your brain will scream for dopamine, and that resistance means you're breaking addiction patterns. Every time you ignore that urge to check your phone, you're literally rewiring neural pathways. If you've got zero discipline right now, there's one rule you better tattoo on your brain. Track your study hours, hourly, not vibes. Not some fake-ass I studied today lie you tell yourself. Nah, I'm talking straight up. Every hour, logged like your future depends on it. Cause guess what? It does. And let me remind you again, there's no cheat code to this. If you've never studied 10 hours a day in your life, you can't just jump in and expect to pull that off overnight. This ain't some anime time skip. You don't wake up with grind mode unlocked. It takes time, it takes patience, and most of all, it takes consistency. And let's be real for a sec. Studying longer doesn't mean shit if your brain's running on low power mode. Someone who studies 6 hours with 100% focus, no distractions, no BS, will destroy the guy pretending to study for 12 hours while scrolling Instagram and zoning out every 5 minutes. So stop flexing your fake 12-hour study grind if you can't even tell me what you learned. You're not grinding, you're LARPing. And if you're pulling 12 hours a day just to feel productive, bro, that just screams I got no life, no hobbies, and no direction. Want to be a real killer? Study 6 to 7 hours daily consistently all year round. That's the real flex, not this last-minute panic-fueled exam season hustle. And if you're someone who can't even sit for 1 hour right now, then yeah, this won't be easy. It's like telling an alcoholic to just stop drinking, or telling a broke dude, yo, get rich. It's not gonna happen overnight. That's exactly why I built a 6-week protocol for you. Step by step, no guesswork, just pure action. If you're really tired of your own excuses, if you're done being lazy and stuck, then follow this protocol for 6 weeks like your life depends on it. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I can't promise you'll hit 10 hours a day. That depends on how bad you want it. That's on you. But 5 to 7 hours of clean, focused, high-quality study every day, that's a lock. So here's what you're gonna do next. Go to the description, click the Google Drive link, download that tiny-ass file I made for you, stick it on your wall, make it your religion, then shut the fuck up and get to work. That's it. Also, I'm running a 4-week self-improvement challenge. And no, this ain't some stupid bullshit with feel-good quotes and journaling prompts. You're gonna get a new task list every single week, and each one is harder than the last. You can't skip. You are not allowed to change anything. You can't modify it, so basically, no softcore edits. You either do it all or you don't. This ain't for excuse makers or crybabies. This is for the ones who are sick of their own crap and actually want to change. So if you're half in, don't even bother. But if you're serious, if you're ready to suffer a little and earn some damn results, then download it, follow every step, and stop bitching. Oh, and I threw in a free workout program too. No gym needed. Level 1 and Level 2 are already live. Level 3, link sitting in the description. Go grab it if you're not a quitter.